Let's take a tour of a wraparound terrace suite at the Cosmopolitan of Las Vegas. For those of you who watched my previous video, you know that I tipped the front desk attendant $100 to see if he could give me any complimentary upgrades. Everybody said, "Why are you tipping $100? That's too much." I was staying here for 4 nights, so if he was able to upgrade me, it would certainly be worth it. He was able to get me a wraparound terrace suite. Let's go back upstairs and check out the room and see if it is worth it. It's a good sign when you see a doorbell at your room in Las Vegas. There's two things you're looking for to know if you have a baller suite. Number one is a doorbell. Number two is a bidet. Let's take a look at the powder room. No bidet in the powder room, but we do have a shower, which is a nice touch. Usually it's just the bathroom. Now let's make our way into our first glimpse of the living room. Nice table and couch and a little bench with the view. Making our way into the kitchen, we have a beautiful mini fridge with some bubbly, and then we've got a secondary fridge here for whatever else we want. The nice thing about the Cosmopolitan is these terraces you can actually walk out onto. That's uncommon in Las Vegas. So we've got a view of City Center on one side. We've got a nice sectional couch and some mood lighting, and now, of course, a strip view on the other side. We'll take a walk out to the terrace in a few. You can see how massive this room really is, and now we're into the bedroom with the king-size bed and a chair off into the side if you want that for whatever reason. And of course, we have a separate tub and stand-up shower in the bathroom. We've got his and her vanities for getting ready. The main bathroom does not have a bidet, so we're only 1 for 2 on that combo. But we've got a nice robe and slipper collection in here, as well as a safe for all of our belongings. Now we're outside on the terrace, which is a full wraparound. So we've got a whole panoramic view here, starting with the Bellagio and the Paris on one side. Take a look at this beautiful city center view. We've got the Aria, we've got the Veer Towers, we've got the Waldorf Astoria. So how much did this room cost? Well, the room that I had booked, which was comped by my host, goes for $600 a night. That was a regular terrace suite room. And then since we were upgraded to the wraparound terrace suite, this room goes for usually $1,100 a night after tax. So that was a $500 a night freebie that I got from my $100 tip. So $2,000 worth of value. I would say the tip is worth it, but let me know in the comments. I love you guys and stay boss.